Okay, boys and girls, as you know, my droptails. As you see, I put in some additional soil. It only has one single vertical hole. It doesn't have any chambers yet. It's only wet where the hole is. Now we have the bottom part of the wet side of the valve. This is where the majority of them are. We have our eggs, we have our larvae, we have our dam, which they use at the bottom, and then the refuge chambers. We also have springtails on this side. This is where they take their garbage now. The main chamber and the dry side, where they actually get the food from, so they must carry through the whole nest to get to the side where they can use it. So now, as some of you have asked, we're quickly going to do a demonstration about what happens to the water. Let's start on the dry side. As you can see, the side chambers remain dry and it all goes down to one of the side chambers at the bottom. It's part of how they built this. Unfortunately, you cannot see, but at the back there's also chambers. So it is more or less like a step maneuver. Wherever you see sand at the back, there's a chamber in the front. Where there's sand in the front, you have a chamber at the back. Now we're going to move to the middle part, the semi-dry area. As you can see, we have lots of movement there because it was a main chamber. But as the same thing happens, it goes straight down and they are not even phased. Now we're going to go through the new soil in the wet area of the formicarium. As you can clearly see, the wet area of the formicarium has been getting water so often that it almost doesn't phase them at all. All the water runs straight through, down the vertical chambers, into the bottom dam, and zero flooding to any of the eggs or any of the pupae. And now you can see them in the bottom dam, in the refuge, quickly moving as much water as they can and running around in the bottom for no apparent reason. Even in the dam side, you can see there is water and there is zero movement inside. There's one. Okay guys, that's it for the video about what happens with water entering one of nature's most beautiful creatures, little formicarium. I hope you enjoyed it.